Hi everyone, I am back and better, I guess. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Mutiyet the Red. So I have took a break on YouTube, 2 weeks break. By the time I'm uploading this video, it's probably like 2 weeks break. Yes, I took a 2 weeks creative break, and that creative break is worth it. And I'm going to take you through all of my production journey. I have been announcing for the past few months now that I am being productive, being thoughtful, and now it's time for you to see how my creative journey went. There were ups and downs, I'm not going to lie about that, but I'm happy I created a team who now believes in me, because I so much believe in myself that after this, like, I never knew I could pull this out, and I did pull it, and people were proud of me, and I am so proud of myself. So part of the creativity I did on my set, I'm going to show you, because I'm always trying to create something, you know. I've always created something like this video in the past, something like this video in the past, and then I'm always all about creativity. So one of the things I did on my last shoot, which I promised myself I'm going to do, is get myself made up. I've never ever, when I say never, I mean never ever I never had someone made me up, like a makeup artist. I just want to do some random makeup. So I said to myself, on the last day of shoot, I am gonna do something to my face, and I did. So I have been talking about my journey into like starting my own production, and then meeting with crews, cast, actors. So that went down. Honestly, I am so proud of myself. 2020, I make a plan, and 2021, I'm executing it. So why am I, what have I been doing during that break? Yes. So my thought in general is that to start a production, you have to have fun. And I mean fun, money in the bank. Running a production in Nigeria is not cheap. You gotta pay a whole lot of people who don't trust you with their money, and then they'll be like on you. People, I had an issue, people thinking of me like I was gonna take their money away. That trust issue was there, and I don't like that for me. And then also people trying to take advantage of like me. Having extra crew when I did not demand for it, like having a makeup artist maybe one, and then extra makeup artist come in, bringing like an apprentice. That, just because I am just an individual, not a corporation, doesn't mean that you can take advantage of that. That is that. And then people not talking to me directly, talking to the PM, saying, oh, about their fund money, which initially, I'm not going to take wrong with your money. This is my production. I don't want people talking bad about me. I don't like it. Anyways, I don't like it. So people were so skeptical and not like trustworthy. I mean, the people have done it in the past. They've been duped in the past. So I don't blame them for one reason, but you gotta trust somebody. So trust issue is one part of it, and then miscommunication. But I am the person who always want people to be okay. I don't want to inconvenience anyone. So I actually got that done, and then people really appreciate my effort. That really makes me happy. and I had fun on set. I absolutely had fun on set, and I really enjoyed it. I'm happy I did this, and yeah. So that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed that little creative part where I was made up halfway. And then tell me, leave a comment below and let me know which part you love the most. Was it the right part or the left part? Me, I know which one I love the most, and you can tell from the video that there's one part I love the most. And will I ever do awkward makeup and look like the YouTube influencers? No. So I am good with my simple makeup. I will never go for that. So that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this content, be sure to subscribe, click the notification, and give this video a like, because that's going to help me up my channel. So I will see you on my next upload, which, by the way, after the whole short, I went for my beauty spa. I went for a spa because I was stressed out, not sleeping well, so I spent a video on my spa day. I will vlog on my spa day, and continuously I'm going to be showing you the clip of the series, a glimpse of what's going to happen in the series in each episode. I'm going to show you a glimpse of what's going to happen in each episode. So watch out for that, and if you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe, click the notification, and give this video a like, so you won't miss any of my uploads that are coming up next. So that is it. I will see you on my next upload. Bye for now.